everybody, welcome to section 5.3. We're talking about example A. The whole idea behind this section is the elimination method to solving a system of equations. So let's figure that out using example A. So JP is thinking of two numbers, but he won't say what they are. He tells you that the sum of the two numbers is 163 and that their difference is 33. Find the two numbers. So part A, write a system of equations for the sum and difference of these numbers, and part B, use elimination method to solve this system. So first we're going to define our variables. So let's F equal our first variable, our first number. And I'm going to use this, I'm going to make this a little bit smaller here. Alright, and let S equal our second number. Alright, that way we know just F is the first and S is the second. It doesn't matter really which one, but we're just going to keep track of them. Okay? So we have to write out a system. Let's do the one with the sum first. Well, sum just means addition. So I can say F plus S. When I add them together, I get 163. When I subtract them, I know that's difference, right? So that means F minus S is 33. I could subtract them the other way around. I could do S minus F. It doesn't really matter. We're just kind of keeping them organized somehow. Okay, so if you had it the other way, it still wouldn't matter. Alright, so there is my system for part A. Now part B says we want to use elimination to solve the system. Well, elimination method really just means exactly what it says. We want to eliminate one of our variables. Okay, so if I add this equation to this equation, or something else like that, I could add this one to the top one. That means I can add everything on the left side, add everything on the right side, and they should be equal, right? Because F plus S is the same as 163. So I can add 163 to one side, I can add F plus S to the other side, and I don't change what this whole equation looks like, okay? So really, it's kind of like adding vertically. So what I can do is I can take F, and I'm just going to add them, F plus F, and I get 2F. Now you say, why am I adding? Well, this is the reason why. If I take S plus negative S, what's S minus S? Well, that just cancels out. I get 0S. And what's 163 plus 33? It's 196. Okay, so now what I can really do, and this is for part B, is I can just rewrite this. The 0S's just cancel out, and there's nothing there. So I can say 2F is going to equal 196. All right, well, now I can solve for F, right? I can divide by 2. Divide by 2. And I get F equals, well, what's 200 divided by 2? That's 100, and then minus 4 divided by 2 is 2, so 100 minus 2 is 98. So my first number is 98. What's really great about elimination is that we're eliminating one of my variables. If I add these together and I still have an F and an S and the coefficients are not 0 for one of them, then I haven't added them correctly or I haven't subtracted. I haven't done an operation correctly. So elimination really means I want to eliminate one variable. So we eliminated the S. Alright, so I haven't solved the system yet because I just know what the first number is. So I can plug it back into either one of these two equations, and I think this one's going to be a little bit easier because 98 minus S is 33. So what I can do is I can just rewrite this as 98 minus 33. Right? Because 98 minus 33 gives me the other number. So 8 minus 3 is 5, and 9 minus 3 is 6. So 65 and 98. And if I add those together, I should get 163. Right? I take 2 from this one to make this 100, and I'm left with 63 plus 100, I get 163. So my solution is 98 and 65. Alright? There's the first example for elimination method.